YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, you know. You see me, done back in the lab with another one. Today, we got Jquan and Weekday. The one that hands up. You see me and say, I see where dog do it. Been a minute since we reacted to Jquan. You see me, and a lot of these new artists real quiet, you know. You see me, me not lie, a lot of these new artists kind of quiet. Since Cartel out of jail and thing. Them views kind of also kind of, you see me I say, but we see where Jquan agreeing. Been a minute now, Jquan artist we rate, you know. You see me a time for the new artists. Hey, you don't get to him, if you get back to it. Get back to chopping music, get back to buzzing again. Just get to mad up a place. I want to know what deal with. You see me I say, tell you there, Jquan a Weekday, the one in him hands up. You see me I say, we are check it out so we dog deal with Jquan, bad artist. You see me I say, as I said, now see dog release as much lately, but you see like dog back at it. You see me if you new year, you see me I say dog do, unless I've been mistaken, because you don't know. I've been gone for a little minute. But I check it out so dog deal with right now. Jquan Weekday, hands up, let's get it.
Yo, Weekday. Call life.
Code, you know, by the way, hit the like and subscribe button, because you don't know code is life, you know. Let's get it.
No boy.
That's crazy.
No, I ain't word. A badness and gun, put the chat down. Pussy attack, tough, so bring your action come. Pull up in your place, you in the wind down. Place turn and snares, everybody around.
Come on now, man, I want to you. Pull up in your place, win the wine down. Turn and nest, everybody.
And come, pull up in your place, you in the wind down. Place turn and snares, everybody around. Body the pan ground, mother lose her son. I know Shensia when me say I hit.
You know, it's crazy when you trouble hands nest dog, everything does scatter. Like, people are
mother lose her son. I know Shensia when me say I hit and run. I'm talking enough, be a teeth and
yeah, man, I know Shensia. One arm move, man, it and run them.
I'm talking enough, be a teeth and tongue. No, everybody get fucked when bullets see the Yankee. Put your hands up on your hand, eh? Don't move. This is a robbery. Couple man, they are from Zimbabwe. More fire like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Black 5th and speak. Yeah.
Easy now, man. This is a put on your hands up, man.
They are from Zimbabwe. More fire like 𝐑𝐿𝐶𝐿𝐿. Black 5th and speak. Yeah, talk badness, no know if you do it. Shut, open up your mouth and
yes,
broke
man,
out.
talk badness, I don't know if you do it. I want to some of them, and I say, hurry, come up, boy.
Badness, no know if you do it. Shut, open up your mouth and broke out your teeth. When I talk in name, pussy, watch how you speak. Hey, when I jagger.
Watch your speak, youth. What you do?
For real, bang a line and buy gonna make your bitch touch her knees. Fuck her out and send her to you, no give fuck how you feel. You make your talk, so stick to that, no give
make your yard, you see me, make your shit do bomba. Heads and shoulder, knees and toe. Got you.
Fuck how you feel. You make your talk, so stick to that, no give a fuck what you mean. Pussy them full of beer mud, shot make you lay down. Pussy you scared girl. Killer move silent like ear ghost, black ear out.
Easy now, I'm let it go, boy.
Pussy them full of beer mud, shot make you lay down. Pussy you scared girl. Killer move silent like ear ghost, black ear out. You see the Yankee, put your hands up on your hand, eh? Don't move. This is a robbery. Couple man, they are from Zimbabwe.
More fire like who?
More fire like 𝐑𝐿𝐶𝐿𝐿. Fire Trump and the Glock for real. No fuck round car, we mad for real. You want find out?
I chump from the Glock boy to we are working. I chump out. Yes, man, everything I connect on you, man.
Then do that, my G. Killer bury your body and do that for free. Badness and gun, put the chat down. Pussy attack, tough, so bring your action come. Pull up in your place, you in the wind down. Place turn and snares,
everybody around. Easy.
Body the pan ground, mother lose her son. I know Shensia when me say I hit and run. Wanna talk enough, be a teeth and tongue. No, everybody get fucked when bullets see the Yankee. Put your hands up on your hand, eh? Don't move. This is a robbery. Couple man, they are from Zimbabwe. More fire like 𝐑𝐿𝐶𝐿𝐿. More fire like 𝐑𝐿𝐶𝐿𝐿.
That is it, bomba. Jquan, yes man, the one of man's up. Big up your damn self, Jquan. Yeah man, Jquan very talented, you know. Dog full of melody, dog. You see me I say, dog can sing and he can spit lyrics too. You see me I say, Jquan up and coming, you know. You think Jquan even fully a year in yet? I think he's a fully. I think he's maybe I can't see a fresh one, you know. That should be one of them up and coming one day, but the dog need more consistency though. The dog need to find some more banger. You see me and say? You see me and say? Mm-hmm. But yeah, man, big up Jquan, you're doing your thing, dog. You're definitely on the radar. You're on the Dan radar, you know. You see me and say? Yes, man. Yeah, you're one of the rising Dan, them in the blood clean. Dancehall dog. So keep doing your thing, bro. Keep making these hits and making these bangers, bro. And you keep building your catalog. Couple years from now, bro, 5 years from now, you can be like looking back and be like, yo, Jquan is like a serious artist in the dancehall. Yeah, you see me I say? Yeah, man, gang, no joke. So, yeah, me know one thing about one day in the comment section. If you like it, if you show that some of us support, you don't know, we'll do it over here. Drop your comments, let me know what your favorite part was, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Yo, Jquan, keep it up, me G. You see me I say? Like how you do with the thing, dog. You see me I say? Yeah, man, code, man. You see me I keep doing the thing, man. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.